Take a look at this new 2012 Ram 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This 1500 boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the monotone paint, chrome power heated trailer tow mirrors, power sunroof, Mupper chrome tubular side steps, P275/60 R20 all-season owl tires and the Class A receiver hitch. Call 877-331-8023 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.